I swear, it's like Kevin Hunter can't seem to catch a break because he just lost his lawsuit against Wendy, which means that he is now even more broke than he was before. He is doing all he can to get Wendy's money, but she is not having any of that BS, and she's protecting her money real good. If Kevin thought things were bad before, well, they just got really nasty. Y'all remember how I said that Kevin Hunter's life has become a hot mess? Well, I honestly didn't think that things could possibly get worse for him, but they really did. For those who don't know why he was suing Wendy, it's because he wants her to keep paying him alimony because he has bills to pay, has to take care of his boo thing and their baby. Of course, Wendy can't even touch her own money because of her issues with Wells Fargo, but this doesn't matter to Kevin. Another thing that clearly doesn't matter to him is the fact that he signed legally binding documents that said that Wendy doesn't have to pay him alimony if she leaves the Wendy show. The clause said, if for any reason plaintiff's contract, plaintiff being Wendy, with Talk Wendy Williams is not renewed and or is otherwise suspended, canceled, or terminated, and plaintiff does not have any other television show being aired and paying her an equivalent salary, defendant, aka Kevin, understands and agrees that all severance payments shall be subject to either termination or modification. And Kevin wasn't so nice about the alimony payments because he was out here acting so entitled to Wendy's money, saying Wendy was in rehab and these people just stopped depositing my money cold turkey. Now I'm demanding to see all the bank records from the time of the divorce until now, and that will show what really is going on. These people have tried to starve me out. At the end of the day, I earned that money and I'm not letting them take it. If he really made Wendy into a star, why doesn't he just do that to Sharina too, so they can make money? She's young and pretty and he has the experience, so what's there to stop him? And when he realized that acting all macho and entitled wasn't working for him, he decided to calm down and play on people's emotions. He complained about being broke, saying, I have fallen behind on most of my bills. I currently live in a community that requires payments to the homeowners association and I'm behind on that bill. If the homeowners association fees are not paid, foreclosure will soon follow. My car insurance hasn't been paid as a result of not receiving monthly severance payments. He continued, I'm behind on credit card payments because I have no money since the severance payments were suspended. My life has been greatly affected since the plaintiff stopped making payments under our settlement agreement. The fact that I am unable to sustain my life and pay my bills in order is extremely emergent to me. I cannot pay my bills and sustain my day-to-day living. If he was expecting people to open a GoFundMe for him, well, he was disappointed because people just told him to get a job and stop mooching off Wendy. He clearly has no plans of doing that, so he decided to go the legal route and sue Wendy for her own money. Child, it's the entitlement for me. As expected, his case was thrown out of court because the court denied his request. Sources of the court said the judge found that Kevin's request was not emergent and ordered his application to be dismissed without prejudice. The judge also denied Kevin's request for attorney fees to be paid by Wendy. It's wild how he lost shamefully when his boo thing, Sharina, was just out here shading Wendy, talking about happy and healthy is all I'm on right now. The clickbait is real. I guess they need the storyline to continue for a podcast. Shading someone when you're living off of them is just insane. Not only are you and your man not going to be seeing Wendy's money, but you're also in debt because y'all are gonna have to find a way to pay the lawyer's fees. But hey, all hope isn't lost because the judge suggested that they try mediation. Sources said the judge said while they don't consider his demand for alimony payments an emergency, he can still take his case to mediation. The parties are to participate in binding arbitration, the judge said. While this may give Kevin some hope, insiders have revealed that the thought of mediation is just a big fat joke to Wendy. She doesn't feel like she has to give Kevin any more money because him signing the document meant that they agreed that she shouldn't have to pay him if she lost her job. Plus, she finds it ridiculous that she is expected to fund his life and that of his new family when she got cheated on. Another insider claims that Wendy has asked Kevin to get a job for both himself and Sharina because they're not going to be seeing a single cent of her money and she is going to fight it to the end to make sure that she no longer has to pay him. Someone said, I'm so happy for this. She deserves to put this mess behind her after everything that she has been through. Wendy, I'm praying for you, sister. This man has been played by Wendy. Karma does not discriminate. Another person commented, the entitlement to Wendy's money when he has a new family burns me up. He clearly didn't think this through. Sharina and Kevin need to find another source of income. And another person said, Kevin needs to go look for a job to take care of his new family. How these men can sit and depend on a woman to mind not just him but also his baby mama is just shameful. Y'all know what time it is. It's time for Kevin and Sharina to dust off their resumes and start job hunting because those bills ain't gonna pay themselves and neither is Wendy. But I want to know what y'all think in the comment section below. Do y'all think that this is what Kevin and Sharina deserves? And if you think Kevin and Sharina are messy, just wait until you see this drama in this next video, child. y'all. It's your girl Kiki with the hottest tea. Peace.